Hello everyone, what is going on? Jim here from Grassroots Piano. A few of you reached out and you want a bit more of a challenge with warm-up. So I think this will work out. This is more of a coordination thing. We're not going to use the pedal and we're going to think just basic sound. So we're going to think legato at first. See position, and we're going to go ahead and have quarter notes in the left hand, eighth notes in the right hand, but we're going to double the notes first. So the first phrase is like this. I'll go fast to save time, but then I'll teach it slowly. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Important to do this with a clean sound, so we're going to slow it down. You're going to go up once and then back down, 5-finger position. Now this is the tricky part. Watch, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, one more time. 2, 3, 4, and 1. That might throw some of you off, which is a good coordination exercise, so you can break it down a little bit like this. 1, 2. You can find that pattern when the notes play together and then separate. Some learners like to count the eighth notes. And 1. The next one is not too hard, but it's contrary motion. So now we have the G, so we're going to do this. Double first in the right hand. Legato, and then we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. You might get a little confused with the cycle, but you want to make sure you, with the right hand, you start and then you end on the same note. That one, if you can put them together, that exercise 1 and 2, that's a good thing. But if you need to separate it first to restart, that is fine. Now we're doing the same thing, but you guessed it, it's the left hand. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if this is really easy, get into what you're doing with your posture, arm weight, all that good stuff. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And 2, 3, here we go. All right, this one, pattern 4, this kind of throws some people on a loop. Maybe if you're a right-hander it might be harder, but basically we're starting, now the left is going to start at the G. So it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3. It's a little brain game. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we gotta go again. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now we can add in some other goodies later if you want. Think staccato in the right hand, legato in the left hand, but get this down first. Please hit the like button if you like these exercises, because I have plenty of them to share. At a glance, I'm going to be creating another chord rhythm pattern, and that will probably be published in just a few days. So if you like my content, please consider subscribing and let me know how you're doing in the comments below. Take care. Bye for now.